You. Barrett, thank you. As we get further along in the vaccination process in Minnesota, we're learning more about who's actually getting those shots. KGTC's Sarah Gannon is following the latest updates. She joins us live in the studio with today's developments. Sarah.
Well, Caitlin, more than 975,000 Minnesotans have had the first dose of the vaccine, and roughly 516,000 have had the complete series. That's nearly 1.5 million doses in all.
This data has been added to the online dashboard.
This data will inform the state's outreach efforts and specific strategies to ensure the equitable distribution of vaccine to Minnesotans of all races and ethnicities.
This is made possible by a new partnership between the state and the Minnesota Electronic Health Records Consortium. State health officials say this information will help them work towards closing equity gaps.
Our operational partners are using the consortium data to identify community engagement and vaccination strategies to improve vaccine equity and ensure all communities have access to vaccines and the knowledge they need to make an informed decision.
As vaccine eligibility expands and the Biden administration promises larger shipments to states in the coming weeks, state officials are working on improving distribution in Minnesota.
We will be expanding vaccine distribution to more community clinics and directing more doses to more community pharmacies located in communities in particular need of additional vaccination attention. We will be expanding our vaccine delivery to community-based vaccination sites in partnership with healthcare providers and local community organizations.
Infectious disease director Chris Ersman addressed concerns about primary caregivers signing up for the vaccine. Right now, eligibility guidelines say paid and unpaid primary caregivers are eligible to receive the vaccine, even if they live in the same household as the person they care for.
Eligible unpaid caregivers include primary caregivers who work in similar capacities to personal care assistants, direct support professionals, and nurses for people with complex medical needs.
Ersman says primary caregivers are classified as healthcare workers and are included in the highest priority group. If you fall under this category, you are encouraged to sign up to get vaccinated as soon as possible. And as of this afternoon, we do know there were a few appointments still available this weekend in the Twin Cities. Tom, back to you.
Good to know. Thank you.